How to organize puzzles. With mission to organize. People have fallen in love with puzzles, but they don't love keeping them organized. Let M2O put the pieces together for you with these tips. If the boxes keep toppling over, consider tossing the box and using a clear zipper pouch or a clear box to store them instead. Make sure to take a picture of the puzzle box itself or cut out the one on the box and store it in the new container. Find the right space. Work in an area that is large enough for the puzzle pieces in the framework, has good lighting, and isn't in a high traffic area in case you have to come back to it later. Be sure to keep pieces safe from pets and little hands. Use a sorting tray to not only sort the pieces by color, pattern, and shape, but utilizing one keeps the pieces from falling off the table and into the wrong hands. Not finished with the puzzle, but can't keep working? Use a non-slip rolling puzzle mat on your work surface so you can roll up your work in progress and safely store it until you're able to return to it later. Done with your masterpiece? Instead of throwing your hard work back into the box, why not display it? Use puzzle glue or adhesive peel and stick sheets to hold your work together for framing and display. Puzzles can be a great form of entertainment, but don't let the struggle to keep them organized spoil your fun. Use these tips to have a picture-perfect puzzle experience. For more organizing advice, check out our YouTube channel, sign up for our monthly newsletter, or follow us on social media. Mission to organize, because two organizers are better than one.